representing Illinois injury victims for over 40 years, J. Janssen. One name says it all.
Well, I had a friend that got he got seriously injured in a car accident, and his insurance company won't pay any of his bills. And he's wondering, because they say it's not his fault. They can't determine whose fault it is. So they're wondering.
Many times that happens because Illinois is a fault state. You have to prove fault against the other driver. And if you can't prove fault against the other driver, you're not going to be able to collect against the other driver. Now, under your own policy, you'd be able to collect medical pay coverage if you have medical pay coverage, which would pay your medical bills. Illinois has what's called comparative negligence. And you compare the negligence of the two drivers together, and if the other driver is over 50% at fault, then you can make a recovery against the other driver. But if you can't show that they're over 50% at fault, you're not going to be able to make a recovery against the other driver. Now, here's what I stress in this regard. I think you need to see a lawyer quickly after an accident, because we interview witnesses, we talk to the police, we get the diagrams of the collision. Many times people are seriously injured, they're taken from the scene right away. The people that are involved aren't really around. We canvass the neighborhood to see who saw the occurrence. We many times hire an accident reconstructionist to establish liability and responsibility. These are things that the injured person cannot do themselves. That's why, again, I say many times you hire the Janssen Law Center, you hire them on a contingency, and you never pay us unless we win. Good question. Thank you.
The Janssen Law Center, representing Illinois injury victims for over 40 years.
Innocent automobile accident victims often come to my office after they've attempted to settle their own claim. They've been shorted on the value of their car. Don't be shorted on the value of your claim. It's the business of the Janssen Law Center to protect your rights.
J. Janssen. One name says it all.